right, I think this is the service elevator here that I just found. Well, this one's a Kone, nice. The passenger elevator is a Kone elevator, which is a brand I've never heard of. I like that interesting indicator right there. This does look like a freight elevator to me. These doors are slow. There's an interesting system sensor spectral or classic fire alarm. I'm gonna go ahead and end it on the second floor because that's how I got it from. Because that's where I got it. There's a kitchen right there, so I don't want to go over there. I don't want to go over there anyways. You see through the doors, look. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get off here. Well, the fan just turned off. Uh-huh. Oh. Oh, okay. I thought someone was gonna get on, but anyways. All right, there it goes. My gosh, look how slow that door is. Okay, well, there it goes, and that's it.